to see the moon.
Estamos tratando de ver la luna.
So we need a telescope.
Y para ello necesitamos un telescopio.
Right? But we have to have the proper orientation,
Tenemos que tener la orientación apropiada.
Yeah, okay. And then what do we see?
¿Y qué es lo que vemos?
We see the first lens.
Vemos los primeros lentes.
No, the first lens. L.
El primer lente.
Yeah. Then what do we see through that?
¿Y qué vemos a través de eso?
Yeah. We see the second lens.
Vemos el segundo lente.
This is a compound telescope. Right?
Es un telescopio compuesto.
Yeah. So Srila Prabhupada is just trying to show us Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati.
Srila Prabhupada nos trata de mostrar a Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati.
He's trying to show us.
Y él trata de mostrarnos.
Gaura Kishore, yeah, and this is Parampara.
A Gaura Kishore, así es el Parampara.
And it's alive.
Y es vivo.
Yeah, you can have personal contact with Narottam.
Podéis tener contacto personal con Narottam.
Yeah, and then finally you have personal contact with Lord Chaitanya.
Y finalmente tienes contacto personal con el Señor Chaitanya.
And he's so powerful. Yeah.
Y él es tan poderoso.
Yeah. Then we can go to Radha Krishna, no? Yeah.
Y finalmente te puede llevar a Radha y Krishna.
Yeah, yeah. So when Prabhupada was in San Francisco, Berkeley,
así que cuando Prabhupada estaba en San Francisco, en Berkeley,
he said,
dijo,
and I heard this from the lips of my spiritual master.
Y lo escuché de los labios de mi maestro espiritual.
Prabhupada said one should act as he hears from the lips of his spiritual master.
Dijo que uno debe actuar tal como escucha de los labios del maestro espiritual.
This is a problem for Ritvik philosophy.
Ese es el problema uno de los problemas para la filosofía Ritvik.
Okay, so now you can hear from my lips,
Ahora podéis oír de mis labios.
Yeah, and then people can hear from your lips. Yeah.
Y la gente puede escuchar de sus labios.
Yeah, and then we become spiritual master.
Y así uno se vuelve maestro espiritual.
Prabhupada said,
Prabhupada dijo,
anybody who chants Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda and follows it with Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare has achieved the perfection of life.
Cualquiera que canta Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare, ha alcanzado la perfección de la vida.
But if you want to preach,
pero si quieres predicar,
you should probably read my books.
Probablemente necesitas leer mis libros.
Yeah, Hansadutta told us.
Hansadutta nos dijo.
He was driving Prabhupada in India.
Él iba conduciendo a Prabhupada en la India.
And Prabhupada asked him.
Y Prabhupada le preguntó.
Why do you think I have written so many books?
¿Por qué crees que he escrito tantos libros?
And he was giving different reasons.
Él dio diferentes razones.
And Prabhupada said, no.
Y Prabhupada dijo, no.
I've written all these books to convince you to chant Hare Krishna.
He escrito todos estos libros para convenceros que cantéis Hare Krishna.
Yeah. If you're convinced to chant Hare Krishna,
si tú estás convencido de cantar Hare Krishna,
you don't have to read my books.
No tienes que leer mis libros.
Yeah. And Hansadutta realized that he wasn't convinced. Yeah.
Y Hansadutta se dio cuenta de que él no estaba convencido.
Yeah. And also then we used them to reach different people.
Y también los utilizamos para encontrarnos y hablar con diferentes personas.
Yeah, Light of the Bhagavat was designed for a very specific audience.
La luz del Bhagavat fue diseñada para una audiencia muy específica.
Yeah, so it's very important our relationship with Prabhupada's books.
Así que es muy importante nuestra relación con los libros de Prabhupada.
Yeah, you can see Srila Prabhupada's lotus feet through his books. No?
Podemos ver los pies de loto de Srila Prabhupada a través de sus libros.
Yeah. So we have one presentation called the Bhaktivedanta Library.
Tenemos una presentación titulada La Biblioteca Bhaktivedanta.
In the United States, many people have all of Prabhupada's books, you know.
En los Estados Unidos, mucha gente tiene todos los libros de Srila
So you start to
Prabhupada
put them in front of you. You know.
y los ponen delante.
What's first?
Bhagavad.
Huh?
Bhagavad
Before the Bhagavad Gita.
Size of self.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Isopanishad, no?
Preguntaba qué es lo primero, dice el Ishopanishad.
But science of self-realization, yeah, very, very popular.
La ciencia de la autorrealización es un libro muy popular también.
Do we have any Shruti from Srila Prabhupada?
¿Tenemos algún Shruti de Srila Prabhupada
Or is everything, no, do we have any, yeah, or is everything Smriti?
o todo es Smriti?
Upanishad.
Yeah, Isopanishad is the only thing we have with Shruti.
El Ishopanishad es el texto que tenemos que es Shruti.
And I think that's the reason Prabhupada did it. You know.
Y entiendo que esa es la razón
Yeah.
por la que Prabhupada lo hizo.
It's a very powerful Upanishad, no?
Es un Upanishad muy poderoso.
Then we have the Gita Upanishad,
Luego tenemos el Gita Upanishad,
Bhagavad Gita,
Bhagavad Gita,
ABC, ABC. And then the heart of the Bhaktivedanta Library.
el ABC y luego el corazón de la Biblioteca Bhaktivedanta,
Srimad Bhagavatam.
el Srimad Bhagavatam.
Chaitanya Charitamrita is a Bhagavatam class.
El Chaitanya Charitamrita es una clase de Bhagavatam.
Again, if you have any comments or objections.
Dice que si tengo algún comentario, alguna objeción, que lo haga.
The Krishna book is the 10th canto.
El Krishna Book es el 10º canto.
And this, what do you call it? The Life and Teachings of Lord Chaitanya in Spanish is the introduction.
La vida y enseñanza del Señor Chaitanya es la introducción.
Yeah, what else do we have? Then we have Light of the Bhagavat,
La luz del Bhagavat,
one chapter from the 10th
un
canto.
capítulo. Nectar of
Then,
Devotion.
huh?
Nectar of Devotion.
Okay, and then we have a summary of everything
Y luego tenemos un resumen de todo
in Nectar of Devotion.
en el Néctar de la Devoción.
And Nectar of Instruction is like a summary of that.
Y el Néctar de la Instrucción
Yeah.
es como un resumen de eso.
Then there's like, I don't know, how many volumes of Bhagavad Gita lectures, how many volumes of Bhagavatam lectures.
Y luego tenemos un montón de volúmenes de clases de Bhagavad Gita, de clases de Srimad Bhagavatam,
Then there's all the room conversations.
todas las conversaciones que tuvo en su habitación,
Then the letters,
las cartas,
small books.
libros pequeños.
And then I was presenting all these, you know.
Estaba presentando todo esto
And then I said,
y dije,
some people say
algunas personas dicen
Prabhupada did not give you everything.
que Prabhupada no te dio todo.
And then one boy in the audience was coming maybe for the first time. You know.
Y un muchacho que había en la audiencia, que vino por primera
He
vez,
was looking at all this, you know.
al mirar todo esto,
And he said, thank God.
dijo, gracias a Dios.
Yeah. Prabhupada says,
Prabhupada dice,
you cannot read all these books thoroughly in 100 years.
no puedes leer todos estos libros a fondo ni en 100 años.
Yeah. He also says no disciple can take everything the spiritual master is offering.
Y también dijo que ningún discípulo
Yeah.
puede recibir todo lo que el maestro espiritual le ofrece.
So the spiritual master also has to remember this.
Y
The spiritual master also has to remember
el
this.
maestro espiritual también debe recordar esto. Tiene que tratar de...
Yeah. No. Yeah. So it's kind of the Bhaktivedanta library.
Así que esa es la biblioteca Bhaktivedanta.
The Prabhupada says,
Prabhupada dice,
if you just read the Krishna book,
si simplemente lees el libro de Krishna
share it with others,
y lo compartes con otros
contemplate
y contemplas
the one book,
ese libro,
yeah, then you're guaranteed to go back to the spiritual world.
tú tienes garantizado
Yeah,
ir de regreso
Yeah.
al mundo espiritual.
yeah. But there's so many books, you know.
Pero hay tantos libros.
And then Prabhupada recommends other books. Yeah.
Y Prabhupada recomienda otros libros.
Chaitanya Bhagavat.
Chaitanya Bhagavat.
Yeah, it's nice to compile a list where Prabhupada gives commentaries on other books.
Y hay toda una lista en los que Prabhupada hace comentarios
Yeah.
de otros libros.
Yeah, which to read. Yeah.
¿Qué libros leer?
Rupa Goswami was not satisfied
Rupa Goswami no se sentía satisfecho.
when he finished Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
Cuando terminó el Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu,
He wanted to write more details about Madhurya Ras,
quería escribir más detalles acerca del Madhurya Ras.
so he did it.
Y lo hizo.
What is the name of that book?
¿Cuál es el nombre de ese libro?
Yeah.
Ujjvala Nilamani.
Yeah, so there's so many more books recommended. Yeah.
Así que hay tantos otros libros
And, you know,
recomendados.
and we have to understand them parampara.
Y tenemos que entenderlos en el parámpara.
Yeah, because many times the authors are writing for a certain time, a certain people.
Porque muchas veces nos ofrece algún escrito para cierto tiempo y para un determinado tipo de público.
So I've been very attracted to Vrindavan Dhamma Mahimamrita.
Yo me he sentido muy atraído por el Vrindavan Dhamma Mahimamrita.
Who wrote that?
¿Quién escribió este libro?
Bodhananda Saraswati.
Okay, yeah. Who is he in Krishna Lila?
Pregunta que este autor, Prabodhananda Saraswati, ¿quién es en el Krishna Lila?
Huh? Tunga Vidya. Who is Tunga Vidya? ¿Quién es Tunga Vidya? Huh?
Dasi. One of the
She better know. Yeah. Huh?
louder. Louder.
Ese es aquí.
Huh? Uno de los Astasakis. ¿Dónde está ella?
Uno de los Astasakis, ¿dónde están? ¿Qué?
A la derecha.
Yeah, extremo, yeah. What does Tunga Vidya mean?
¿Qué significa?
The one who is at the peak of their knowledge.
Yeah. Tunga means peak. Yeah. So Radharani wants to cook for. Okay, so I like it very much. Yeah.
The one who lives at the peak of
Knowledge. Yeah.
knowledge.
Tunga
La
Vidya.
que vive en la cima del conocimiento.
Yeah. So I like it very much.
Me gusta mucho ese libro.
And just a little while ago, I found that nice commentary by Bhaktisiddhanta. A few words.
Y hace poco encontré un comentario de unas pocas palabras
Yeah.
de Bhaktisiddhanta
Yeah. Saying how it fits into all the literature. Yeah.
explicando dónde está
Yeah.
en relación al resto de la literatura.
Gorkishoras Babaji.
Gaura Kishore Das Babaji
He was recommending a book also.
recomendaba un libro,
Yeah.
Right.
Prema Bhakti Chandrika.
Yeah. Actually, this is Benny also. This is Prema Bhakti Chandrika. It's only, so Prema Bhakti Chandrika by Narottam, no? Yeah.
Es muy pequeño,
How many verses? How many songs?
9 songs.
Yeah.
Tiene 9 canciones.
Yeah, so we could study it, you know. Yeah.
Podemos estudiarlo.
Yeah. And everybody's different, you know.
Cada persona es diferente
Yeah, and in terms of their development and their taste. Yeah.
en términos de su desarrollo
Yeah.
y de su gusto.
Some people just love Bhagavad Gita.
Hay personas que les encanta el Bhagavad Gita,
Myself is kind of boring like that.
pero para mí es un tanto aburrido.
Yeah, but then I begin to appreciate, more after time,
Pero con el tiempo lo aprecio más.
Yeah. So this is, everybody had different relationship with Prabhupada. Yeah.
Cada persona tiene relaciones distintas con Prabhupada.
So anybody else knows any books besides the Bhaktivedanta books?
¿Alguien conoce
Yeah.
otros libros además
Yeah.
de los libros Bhaktivedanta?
There's Brihat Bhagavatamrita. yeah, which is Bhaktivedanta, but it's not translated by Prabhupada.
Tenemos el Brihad Bhagavatamrita, que no lo tradujo Prabhupada, pero está publicado por el BBT.
It's going to see if you're going to lose one finger. Para perder un dedo.
Cuidado de no perder un dedo.
Yeah, you can put it in like this and pull down. Yeah. Yeah. Just a science. Yeah. Is anybody else? Any books they like?
¿Alguien más?
Not just including Prabhupada,
Oh yeah, probably yeah.
Jaiva Dharma,
Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Yeah.
by Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Yeah.
I like that it's
Yeah.
set in a story form,
Yeah.
and I like that he covers many
Yeah.
different types of spirituality,
Yeah.
and draws it all
Yeah.
to a conclusion, but it's very relevant in a modern time.
Yeah.
Jaiva Dharma de Bhaktivinoda Thakur dice que le gusta que está escrito en forma de una historia, como una novela, y que él habla con muchos tipos de personas y es relevante para los tiempos actuales.
One time Prabhupada was quoting from it in a lecture.
Una vez Srila Prabhupada estaba citando ese libro
Yeah.
en una conferencia
And then the Prabhupada's devotees said, oh, we want that.
y los devotos de Prabhupada dijeron,
That we want that book.
queremos ese libro.
And Prabhupada said, eventually you will get everything. But I think that there are some things in there which were spoken according to time, place, and circumstance.
Pero pienso que algunas cosas ahí fueron habladas de acuerdo a tiempo, lugar y circunstancias.
Prabhupada says,
Prabhupada dice,
it's in a purport, I think. Yeah.
se han significado.
The Hari Bhakti Vilas
El Hari Bhakti Vilas
is unnecessarily ritualistic.
es innecesariamente ritualista,
He says, but,
pero
practically speaking,
prácticamente hablando,
when Sanatana Goswami was writing,
cuando Sanatana Goswami lo estaba escribiendo,
everybody was Smarta Brahmins.
todo el mundo era un brahmana smarta.
So he had to go with the flow of the time.
Tuvo que seguir el flujo de los tiempos.
Yeah, so we have the proper perspective from Prabhupada's books.
Tenemos la perspectiva adecuada a partir de los libros de Prabhupada
Then we can read other books with his perspective.
y luego podemos leer otros libros
Yeah.
con sus perspectivas.
So I think some of the things in Jaiva, maybe in Jaiva Dharma you see like, yeah. But I like it too, very nice.
Chaitanya Shikshamrita also is very,
Okay, yeah?
it's written in a very intellectual
Yeah. Oh God.
manner and presented in good English to the
Yeah.
person public.
Yeah. Español.
Que el Chaitanya Shikshamrita de Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur también es un libro que está escrito de una forma dirigida a los intelectuales de la época.
Yeah. To the Bhadralog. Yeah, okay, yeah. Any other books?
¿Algún otro libro?
Here, yeah.
Oliver Candidini.
Huh? Oh, wow, yeah.
Madhurya Kadambini.
And what's the other one? But something is there's two books, Madhurya Kadambini.
Raghavarma Chandrika.
Okay. There's so many nice books, yeah.
Hay tantos libros hermosos.
Then there's the two song books of Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Y hay dos libros, hay varios libros de canciones de Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Yeah. So many books, yeah.
Tenemos tantos libros
Yeah. And then we need someone to guide us,
y necesitamos a alguien que nos guíe
Yeah, to find the right book.
para encontrar el libro correcto.
Yeah, and then Paramatma will guide us. Yeah.
Y el Paramatma nos guiará.
Yeah. So any other thoughts about Prabhupada's books?
Algunas otras reflexiones
Ah.
acerca de los libros de Prabhupada
And their significance, yeah.
Definitely. I dropped out of high school at 15 years old. So I didn't complete high school.
Dice que no completó la escuela de secundaria.
But I went to
15 años. 15
15
años.
años, yeah.
A los 15 años abandonó.
Muy inteligente.
I spent my first 5 years in Gurukula.
Oh my God.
Pero pasé mis primeros 5 años en el Gurukula.
So when I went to public school, I didn't feel comfortable. I never found my place there.
Cuando fui a la escuela pública,
Yeah.
no me sentía cómodo y no encontraba
Harry.
mi lugar ahí.
Harry, how was it, Harry? Su nieto.
Farideh fue.
Yeah, no, he's never.
Grandson.
Also public school, no?
Farideh is in a school that
Right.
has
Yeah.
like the Gurukul
Yeah.
and also academic.
Yeah.
In
But-
Mayapur.
But he also didn't want to go to public school. Yeah.
Su nieto tampoco quería ir a la escuela pública,
Because they wouldn't let him wear a dhoti.
porque no le dejaban llevar dhoti.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think maybe I was a little bit radicalized also from my childhood,
Oh.
from listening to Bhagavatam class
Oh.
and new devotees in the early days.
Oh.
So my discomfort and that radicalization, I rejected education altogether.
Oh my goodness.
Quizás yo estaba muy radicalizado por haber escuchado muchas clases de Bhagavatam de devotos antiguos, que eran de aquella época, y por eso rechacé la educación totalmente.
Yeah, like this formal education I thought was useless.
Pensé que la educación formal era inútil.
But then when I was 20 years old, I joined Brahmacharya Ashram.
Pero cuando tenía 20 años me uní al Brahmacharya Ashram
And I started to read Prabhupada's books for 2 hours a day.
y empecé a leer los libros de Srila Prabhupada 2 horas al día.
And I read all of Srila Prabhupada's main books
Y leí todos los libros principales de Srila Prabhupada
in four years' time.
en 4 años.
And after reading Prabhupada's books,
Yeah.
Y después de leer los libros de Prabhupada,
then I could understand that formal education is actually
Yeah.
can be very useful.
Yeah.
pude entender que la educación formal puede ser muy útil.
Because Prabhupada was able to speak in this way because he had a formal education.
Yeah.
Porque Prabhupada podía hablar de esta manera porque tenía una educación formal.
And I was curious about why people are materialistic and what is the competing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Y yo tenía curiosidad de saber por qué la gente era materialista y tenía un espíritu competitivo.
So I did some catch-up study to be able to enter university as a mature age.
Hice un estudio para ponerme al día para poder entrar a la universidad.
And I started with the sciences,
Empecé con las ciencias
moved into philosophy and eventually anthropology.
y luego me moví a la filosofía y a su debido tiempo a la antropología.
But the big point of what I'm sharing is I was able to achieve high distinction in every philosophy essay
Yeah.
because of reading Prabhupada's books.
Pero el punto que quería mencionar
Well,
es que
yeah.
pude tener sobresalientes
Yeah.
en
Yeah.
todas las en sciences o
In philosophy, when I moved into philosophy.
en filosofía
Yeah.
porque había leído todos los libros de Prabhupada.
Yeah. If you read Prabhupada's books,
Si lees los libros de Prabhupada,
you develop a very erudite diction.
desarrollas
A very erudite diction.
desarrollas una dicción muy erudita.
You learn to use big words.
Aprendes a utilizar grandes palabras.
Yeah, he has such a nice vocabulary,
Es un vocabulario muy bueno.
I can say just finally,
Yeah.
Finalmente,
a large portion of my degree was the Eastern
Oh.
philosophy and religion.
una parte importante de mi título de universitario fue
It was a strong focus on Eastern philosophy.
tenía un foco grande en filosofía oriental.
Por eso es fácil para obtener high distinction en Prabhupada's book.
Y por eso pude sacar sobresaliente, porque había leído los siglos de Prabhupada.
But one essay I wrote about
Oh,
how the Buddhism void is the avyakta in the Bhagavad Gita. This is beyond perception.
En un ensayo escribí que el vacío del budismo es avyakta, está más allá de la percepción.
Yeah, and my usually the master's students mark the paper, and if the paper is exceptional, they send to the professor to check, double check.
Normalmente los estudiantes del nivel de máster son los que evalúan los ensayos de los estudiantes, pero si un ensayo es excepcional, se lo envían al profesor para que lo revise.
So the professor said to me, "Your paper is very good, and you know more about this than I do."
El profesor me dijo, tu ensayo es muy bueno y sabes más de este tema que yo.
He said, "I can't argue if the argument is good or not, because obviously you know more about this than me." Yeah.
No puedo decir si el argumento es suficientemente bueno o no, porque obviamente tú sabes más de eso que yo.
Srila Prabhupada ki.
Yeah. What books do you like? ¿Cuáles libros le gusta a usted? ¿Ah?
Padeshamrita.
Oh, okay. yeah. Pequeño. Yeah. In the I have a word file. Yeah, of Vrindavan Dham Mahimamrita.
Tengo un documento de Word del Vrindavan Mahimamrita.
Yeah, and so maybe on your computer you can turn it to a text file.
Y quizás en el ordenador puedes transformarlo en texto.
Yeah, it's by Prabodhananda Saraswati.
Es de Prabodhananda Saraswati.
And when you're in Vrindavan,
y cuando en Vrindavan,
it's so potent.
Es tan potente.
We were discussing it a little bit this morning.
Esta mañana lo estábamos comentando un poco.
Yeah, again, he's Tunga Vidya.
Él es Tunga Vidya.
She is a fanatic about Vrindavan Dham.
Ella es un fanático de Vrindavan Dham.
Yeah. Radharani wants to cook for Krishna.
Radharani quiere cocinar para Krishna.
Radharani wants to dance for Krishna.
Radharani quiere bailar para Krishna.
Radharani wants to be a counselor for Krishna.
Radharani quiere ser consejera de Krishna.
So she just explodes.
Y ella explota.
And that's the 8 principal gopis.
Y ahí están las 8 gopis principales.
Yeah, and each one has a different perspective, ability, nature.
Cada una tiene una perspectiva, una habilidad y naturaleza diferente.
If Krishna is 10 minutes late for Radharani's birthday party,
si Krishna llega 10 minutos tarde para el cumpleaños de Radharani,
Lalita is ready for him.
Lalita está lista para darle.
Yeah, you're gonna annihilate him,
Y aniquilarlo.
Yeah. But Tunga Vidya,
pero Tunga Vidya,
her humor is, give him a chance. Maybe he has an explanation.
Su espíritu es, dale una oportunidad. Igual tiene un motivo explicable.
Yeah, it's more like Rukmini, Más como Rukmini or algo,
Más tiene un estilo parecido a Rukmini.
Yeah, but this is all Radharani's own, personality.
Pero todo ello es parte de la personalidad de Radharani.
In one commentary on Chaitanya Bhagavat,
en un comentario del Chaitanya Bhagavat,
Bhaktisiddhanta says,
Bhaktisiddhanta dice,
there were conflicts between the disciples of Swarup Damodar and Prabodhananda Saraswati.
que habían conflictos entre los discípulos de Svarup Damodar y de Prabodhananda Sarasvati,
Maybe Rupa Goswami. Yeah.
quizás Rupa Goswami.
Yeah, again, this is, Lalita and Tungavidya.
Ahí están Lalita y Tungavidya.
So they have conflicts,
Tienen conflictos,
but they like it. Yeah.
pero les gusta.
It allows them to clarify their position.
Les permite aclarar
Yeah,
su posición.
yeah. So Bhaktisiddhanta said
Bhaktisiddhanta dijo
that the low-minded disciples of Swarup Damodar and Prabodhananda Saraswati were becoming angry with each other.
que los discípulos inferiores, con una mente baja, de Swarup Damodar, de Prabodhananda Sarasvati, se molestaban unos con otros.
Yeah, but they don't understand that there's no real conflict. Is that?
Porque no entienden que realmente no hay conflicto.
So it's not a part of our sampradaya. It's not a part of our sampradaya. Tungavidya.
De Tungavidya no es parte de nuestra sampradaya,
Yeah, but our swarups are all different. Yeah.
pero nuestros svarupas son distintos.
Yeah. It doesn't mean we're all going to be followers of Lalita. Yeah.
No significa que todos vamos a ser seguidores de Lalita
Doesn't mean we're even going to go to Goloka. Yeah.
o que todos vamos a ir a Goloka.
Yeah, everybody has a different internal nature. Yeah.
Cada uno tiene su propia naturaleza interna.
Yeah. So he starts with the first one. Yeah, I mentioned this morning, didn't I? Oh.
Él comienza,
Yeah.
lo mencioné esta mañana,
Yeah, he writes the Shatakas.
escribe en Shatakas.
Jayom Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivajakacharya Ashtotara Shata, which means 100.
Ashtotara Sata significa 108.
Yeah, this is 8 Ashtotara Sata. So he writes Shatakas.
Escribe Shatakas.
100 verses
Son de 100 en 100 versos
about Vrindavan.
sobre Vrindavan.
And again, he's the uncle of Venkatabhata. No, I mean the brother, right? The brother?
Él es el hermano de Venkatabhata
And the uncle of Gopal Bhatta, no?
y el tío de Gopal Bhatta.
Yeah. And he was completely South Indian Brahmin.
Y él era completamente un brahmana del sur de la India.
By the time he was 10 years old, he knew 50,000 verses or something,
Cuando tenía 10 años, sabía unos 50.000 versos.
Yeah, these people have incredible, abilities.
Estas personas tienen habilidades increíbles.
Yeah, the Kshatriyas would invite them for lunch once a month.
Los kshatriyas los invitaban una vez al mes a comer,
Everything cooked in ghee,
todo cocinado en ghee,
and also one silver lota.
y una lota de plata.
Yeah, with 50 grams of warm ghee.
50 gramos de ghee caliente.
Yeah, and they would eat everything and take the ghee also. Yeah,
Y comían todo y se tomaban también el ghee.
yeah, and they would use it. They would use the ghee.
Utilizaban el ghee.
They would use the energy to go up. Yeah.
Hacían subir la energía.
Nitai Gaur Sundar's father,
El padre de Nitai Gaurasundar
he was in India when all these things were happening,
estaba en India cuando ocurrían todas estas cosas.
and they would invite the brahmanas, to come once a month.
E invitaban a los brahmanas a venir una vez al mes.
And he said these people knew everything, Yeah.
Y decía que esta gente sabía todo.
They knew your entire history in Australia.
Conocían tu historia entera en Australia.
Yeah. So they said they were just terrified of them.
Y estaban aterrorizados.
Yeah. What's his name? Manu Samhita says
El Manu Samhita dice
you can chastise people for different crimes.
que puedes reñir a las personas por diferentes crímenes,
Yeah, but a brahmana, you cannot physically chastise him or take his property.
pero no puedes físicamente castigar a un brahmana ni quitarle la propiedad.
Yeah, or else, but you can tell him he has to leave.
Pero le puedes decir que se tiene que ir.
Yeah, And you know, but so you can, what's that, ostracize him?
Lo puedes ostracize,
Yeah,
quitar la casta.
yeah. And he says Kshatriya should always remember
Los kshatriyas siempre recordarán
that a Brahmana
que un brahmana
with one idea
con una idea
can destroy their entire kingdom.
puede destruir su reino entero.
Yeah, so this was Prabodhananda Saraswati.
Ese era Prabodhananda Sarasvati,
And he left everything.
que dejó todo.
Vanchito Shmi, Vanchito Shmi, Vanchito Shmi. He left everything, yeah,
Abandonó todo
to become a Gaudiya Vaishnava.
para volverse un Gaudiya Vaishnava.
I was raised up in the opulent worship of Lakshmi and Narayan.
Yo fui criado en la opulencia de Lakshmi y Narayana,
But all this time,
pero todo este tiempo
the Gaudiya Vaishnavas were drowning in Madhurya Ras.
los Gaudiya Vaishnavas se estaban ahogando en Madhurya Ras.
I was Vanchito Shmi, Vanchito Shmi, Vanchito Shmi. I was cheated, I was cheated, I was cheated.
Estaba engañado, estaba engañado, estaba engañado.
So I'm leaving now.
Ahora me voy.
What's to talk to the Ayurvedic doctor?
Tengo que hablar con un doctor ayurvédico.
Higher knowledge. I don't know where is Rancho. Okay. But take it away.